Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials right. Make sure your iPhone and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi network so devices can discover each other. Once done, update iOS and the Sky Go app to the latest versions so compatibility issues are minimized. Next, open Sky Go and grant local network permissions. This lets the app find the Chromecast. You should also open Google Home to confirm the Chromecast is online. These steps reduce errors and get you ready to cast immediately. You now pick the program you want to watch and look for the cast icon inside Sky Go. Tapping it should list your Chromecast. Pick it, and the stream will transfer. If the cast icon doesn't appear because Sky Go blocks native casting, use screen mirroring from Control Center and select your Chromecast. This mirrors the whole screen, including audio. While mirroring, make sure auto lock is off and your phone volume is set. This keeps playback smooth and prevents the phone from sleeping mid-cast. You finish by checking audio/video sync on the TV and adjusting settings on your phone if needed. Short stutters often clear after stopping and restarting the stream. If Sky Go blocks direct casting, revert to screen mirroring or disable any VPN or proxy that can interfere with content detection. When nothing works, reboot the router, iPhone, and Chromecast in sequence and then reconnect them to the same Wi-Fi. This usually resolves stubborn connectivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.